Okay, today in science, we're going to talk about how you can stay safe in severe weather. Now, here's the first thing I want you to think about. Weather is made up of certain things that we read about. And hopefully, you're able to tell me okay, weather is like the temperature outside, weather includes how the wind is blowing, weather includes how much moisture is in the air. All of those things make up weather. So here's my question. Would an earthquake be severe weather? I hope you're saying no, because an earthquake is the earth shaking. It has nothing to do with weather, does it? Okay, so what about a house fire? Would that be severe weather? No, that doesn't really have to do with the weather itself. So, when we think of severe weather, we're not just talking about disasters. We're talking about weather that can do crazy things. Now, I'm not going to actually do this particular activity. Um, Number one, a lot of you do this activity every day on your desk if you have a clear water bottle because you're always making tornadoes with them. Okay, but this is a little different. If you want to, you need two 2-liter bottles, connect them with some duct tape. There's got to be water partway up in one of them. And then when you flip it, you give it a twirl and it makes a little tornado. Probably you've seen this done before. I'm not the biggest fan of this because it doesn't have a lot to do other than looking like a tornado. It doesn't have much to do with actual tornadoes. All right. It's just kind of a fun thing to do if you want to. But I would like you to join me over on this page. All right. Now, this page is about thunderstorms. And here's what I would like you to do. On your own, read these two paragraphs. Then it says underline two details about thunderstorms. A detail would be something specific about a thunderstorm, either what it does or how it starts. So you'll go back up and you'll find two things that you could underline that are details about thunderstorms. All right, now this is going to be an assignment. I'm going to eventually check this when you get back. Okay, I'm going to look to see what you underlined. It should be pretty easy. Okay, then I want you to read the thunderstorm safety on your own too. Okay, all right, so that's part of what you're going to do for today. Now go to page 272. This one talks about tornadoes. Okay, and then I want you to read on your own about tornadoes. I want you to also read about the tornado safety down here. And then I also, this is going to be another assignment that I'll check at the same time as the other page. Write why it's important to be ready for severe weather. Now, I'm going to give you a hand here. I'm going to start it for you. It is important to be ready for severe weather. And then don't put the ... This is where you're going to add your own thoughts. Now, what you read, isn't necessarily going to be part of the answer. You're going to have to figure it out for yourself of why would it be important to be ready for severe weather? And then tell me your thought at the end of this. So start her off with, it is important to be ready for severe weather, and then however you're going to answer it. All right, so page 171, underline two details about thunderstorms after you read it. And page 172, after you read about tornadoes and being safe, tell me about this. Why is it important to be ready for severe weather? All right, that's all there is for today for science.